Are you thinking about starting your own manufacturing business but don't have a lot of money to invest? Then this video is for you. We have put together a list of 20 manufacturing business ideas that need low investment and are perfect for beginners. Let's get started. 1. Food and beverage manufacturing. The food and beverage industry is very large, with many different areas to explore. Beverage manufacturing includes making drinks like soda, juice, and bottled water, as well as alcoholic drinks. Food manufacturing covers things like packaged foods, dairy products, canned goods, and frozen meals. This business is always in demand because people need food and drinks every day. 2. Ayurvedic soap and candle making. If you want to start a business from home with a small investment, making Ayurvedic soap and candles is a great idea. People are becoming more aware of natural and healthy products, and the demand for chemical-free soaps and scented candles is increasing. You can make handmade herbal soaps and aromatic candles to sell online or in local markets. 3. Cosmetic manufacturing. The cosmetics industry is one of the most profitable businesses in the world. The global cosmetic market is expected to reach $715 billion by 2024. You can start making products like lip balms, lotions, face creams, and makeup with a small investment. Many people prefer natural and organic cosmetics, which makes this a great business idea. 4. Wooden furniture making. The demand for wooden furniture is always high, and this business is relatively easy to start. You will need some basic tools and materials, but the initial investment is not too expensive. You can make chairs, tables, shelves, or decorative items and sell them to furniture stores or online. 5. Food processing. Food processing involves taking raw food ingredients and turning them into finished products that are ready to eat. These products can include canned foods, frozen meals, dried snacks, packaged spices. Since food is always in demand, this business can be very profitable. 6. Incense stick production. Incense sticks, also known as agabati, are used for prayers, meditation, and relaxation. In recent years, their popularity has grown, making this a great business opportunity. You can start an incense stick making business with a small amount of money and sell your products locally or online. 7. Packaged drinking water plant. If you want to start a low-investment manufacturing business, a packaged drinking water plant is a good option. Bottled water is an essential product, and the demand is very high. You can start small and grow your business quickly by supplying clean drinking water to stores, offices, and homes. 8. Paper bag making. Paper bags are replacing plastic bags because they are eco-friendly. Many businesses now use paper bags instead of plastic. This business is easy to start and requires a low investment. You can sell paper bags to retail stores, grocery shops, restaurants. Since many governments are banning plastic, the demand for paper bags will continue to grow. 9. Organic fertilizer production. More farmers and gardeners are switching to organic fertilizers because they are better for the environment. This business involves making natural fertilizers using materials like food waste, animal manure, and plant compost. It is a great business for the future as people focus more on organic farming. 10. Pet food manufacturing. The pet food industry is growing, and there is a big demand for high-quality nutritious pet food. To start a pet food manufacturing business, you will need ingredients like meat, grains, and vitamins, equipment to mix and package the food, a government license to sell pet food. Since many pet owners want healthy and natural pet food, this business has great potential. 11. Handmade jewelry making. If you love designing jewelry, you can start a handmade jewelry business from home. With just a few basic supplies, you can make earrings, necklaces, bracelets, You can sell your jewelry on social media, craft fairs, or online stores. 12. Stationery manufacturing. If you love arts and crafts, a stationery manufacturing business is a great idea. With some simple equipment, you can start making notebooks, pens and pencils, greeting cards, gift wrapping paper. There is always a high demand for stationery items, especially among students and office workers. 13. Home cleaning products manufacturing. Many people want affordable and natural cleaning products for their homes. You can start making cleaning supplies like dishwashing liquids, laundry detergents, multi-purpose cleaners. This business is easy to start from home and the demand is always high. 14. Fruit juice manufacturing. Fruit juice is a healthy and refreshing drink, loved by people of all ages. Starting a fruit juice manufacturing business is a great way to enter the food and beverage industry. You can sell your juice in bottles, cartons, or cans. 15. Spice powder manufacturing. If you are looking for a low-investment manufacturing business, spice powder making is a great idea. You can grind and package spices like turmeric, cumin, pepper, coriander. Since spices are used in every kitchen, the demand never goes down. 16. Customized gift production. If you love making personalized gifts, this business is perfect. You can customize mugs and t-shirts, keychains, photo frames. With creativity and simple tools, you can start this business from home. 17. Homemade sauce and condiment production. If you enjoy cooking and making sauces, you can turn this into a business. With low startup costs, you can make and sell tomato sauce, hot sauce, salad dressings. This business is flexible, and you can sell both locally and online. 18. Customized phone case production. If you love designing phone cases, this business is for you. With a small investment, you can start making printed phone cases, hand-painted phone cases, custom name cases. Many people love unique and stylish phone covers, so this business has great potential. 19. Baby clothes manufacturing. If you want to start a clothing business, making baby clothes is a good option. Parents always need soft, comfortable, and stylish baby outfits. You can design and sell onesies, baby dresses, sleepwear. With a good target market, this business can grow quickly. 20. Coconut oil production. Coconut oil is very popular for cooking, baking, and skincare. People love natural coconut oil because it is healthy and chemical-free. You can start a small coconut oil business with simple tools and equipment.